You know that feeling when you walk into a garage sale and see something so broken, so neglected that you just have to save it? That's how I met Ruby. A 1947 Harley-Davidson, rusted and worn like she'd seen a war. But something about her spoke to me. Don't worry, Ruby. We're gonna fix you up. The first week? Brutal. Every bolt was rusted, every wire frayed, and the engine? Stubborn as a teenager on Monday morning. But with coffee and determination, I kept going. Piece by piece, she came back to life. Rust gave way to shine. And when that engine finally roared, it was pure magic, a symphony after years of silence. Restoring Ruby wasn't just about fixing a bike. It was about honoring her past and giving her a new future. And then came the first ride. The wind in my face, the rumble beneath me. It was freedom, joy, and love rolled into one. They say you can't buy happiness, but you can restore it. Ruby wasn't just a bike anymore. She was a masterpiece. And together, we were unstoppable.